Alright, in this lesson we're going to talk about pH. pH is written lowercase p, capital H. The P stands for power or potential. The H stands for hydrogen. This is not really important, but someone's going to ask, and so I looked it up and found an answer for you. Power potential of the H stands for hydrogen. pH is the chemical property of a substance. Is it acidic or basic? And then this is a known value that goes between 1 and 14. So every substance has a pH that can be looked up in a book somewhere. So if you have an unknown substance, you can take and you have your litmus paper, which is what we use to test pH. You can test it, compare it to the scale, and then try to narrow down what you might possibly be working with. So to test pH, we use pH strips and compare the colors. In our class, we'll be using litmus paper, and on our litmus paper, if it's an acid, it is a hot pink color, and the hotter the pink, the more acidic it is, the closer to 1. And if it turns purple, then it is a base, and the darker the purple, the stronger the base it is. And then this are just some common pH values that you should know. You don't need to memorize everything, but you should know that lemon juice and orange juice are going to be acids, and baking soda and bleach are on the basic side. So this is good to know, however not anything you need to memorize per se. So most acidic is a 1, that would be like hydrochloric acid. Water is here in the middle, it is neutral. Water is the only neutral substance in the world. The whole pH scale is actually based around the fact that water is going to be in the middle, and everything greater than has a value greater than 7 is a base, and everything less than 7 is going to be an acid, with water being in the middle. So distilled water, not the water that comes out of your tap. The water that comes out of your tap is going to be slightly acidic in most places. But distilled water, pure water, is going to be 7, and then off of that they base the rest of the scale. And so I would have this in your notes, and that is short and quick on pH.